So now let's see how we can go around and utilize the quick editing mode right here and then arrange out clips in quick editing mode. So first of all, in order to go around and add in media to this, I'm going to go around and click on add media, and over here I'm going to go around and click on files and folder. So once you do that, what happens is that I get this Explorer window, so I can go around over here and select out the media file as I like. So I'm just going to go around over here onto videos right here, just like this. And over here, I can go around and hold Control and select out multiple files as I like right here. I'm just going to go around and select out these files right here. Once I do that, I can simply go around and click on open, and what happens is that those three medias will be here, as you can see, and this is how it is arranged. So you can see that they are arranged as a thumbnail right here, just like this, and that is what you have. So this is the video clip right here. It goes around and plays out right here, just like this. But if you want them to be smoother, you can simply go around and render it out right here, which renders out the timeline right here temporarily so that it is much more smoother. So I'm not going to render this out right now, but you can see that there's this placement right here. You can go around and click and drag this out right here, just like this. And then what happens is that this is what you have. So you got the first video clip, then you got the second video clip, and then you got the third video clip right here. You can go around and click and drag these video clips around right here. And what happens is that you can create an order of the video clip that you want to play in. And that is how you can go around and import out video and then arrange the video clips in quick editing mode. You can go around over here onto the expert mode, and you can go around onto continue to expert mode as well. And you can see some video clips over here as well. Let me just go around and drag these clips right here. So let's just go around and drag in some other video clips that I have in the expert mode as well, just like this. And I can even go back onto quick editing mode, and you can see that all of those videos are there. So you can go around and rearrange them out according to how you like over here as well. So that is how you can go around and arrange out the video clips in quick editing mode as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.